Step into Samsung's Futuristic factory, where innovation meets automation in a breathtaking dance of technology. Here, robots seamlessly assemble millions of smartphones, each movement precise and calculated. Imagine a world where machines handle the heavy lifting, allowing human engineers to focus on creativity and design. Every smartphone begins its journey on a conveyor belt, where advanced AI systems monitor quality at every stage. From intricate circuit boards to sleek glass exteriors, the process is a marvel of efficiency. With cutting-edge robotics, Samsung can produce devices at lightning speed, ensuring that the latest technology reaches consumers faster than ever before. But it's not just about speed, it's about sustainability too. This factory utilizes eco-friendly practices, reducing waste and energy consumption. The future of smartphone manufacturing is not only smart but also responsible. In this high-tech haven, the line between human ingenuity and robotic precision blurs, setting a new standard for the industry. Welcome to the future of tech, where every device is a testament to innovation.